Hey, what's up you guys? Before we start today's video, I just want to go ahead and say that we're doing a 200 subscribe giveaway. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel. As soon as we hit 200 subscribers, we're going to go ahead and give away an Amazon gift card. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get started with it.
Yo, what's up you guys? Back today with the vlogs. We are gonna be going to see Apollo. As you know, if you watched the last video, they declared it totaled the next day. Now we're gonna go ahead and pick her up. We found out they're gonna be paying off the loan that I had on the car. They would be giving me $3 grand. But that's if I just released the car to them and they got the car. But what we decided to do is we decided to retain the car with a salvage title. They're still gonna be paying off our loan, and plus we're getting still like a small check of like $100 or $200. Now this is gonna be a build to bring it back to life. So I'm very excited to go ahead and pick her up now. Let's bring her home. Well, never mind you guys. The call that I just received was from the collision center, which I had just called just like moments before I started the video. They basically just told me that the tow company that took my car, they took my car. I mean, yeah, they had already taken the car, so you know, the car wasn't there. So I was going to go get it, but now I'm not. So now it's gonna go ahead and be delivered to my house. So I guess never mind. Just like I was saying, it's exciting that I get to keep it because I never really wanted to get rid of that car, but I knew I wanted the new one when it came out. So this actually gives me the opportunity to keep both, because now that this one's paid off, it could be kind of like in a way, a project car, and I already have a good amount saved for the next car. Anyways, fast forward tomorrow. All right, you guys, fast forward to the next day, and they ended up delivering it to my house that exact same day, which I didn't even realize. I don't know what happened here, but it looks like the tow company kind of just messed up my bumper, which, I mean, I'm gonna replace it anyways, but still, it kind of sucks. Like, I mean, it's just hanging out here now, and it just looks like, you know, because my car is lowered and it was probably put on there, and, you know, that's what they did, so the clips came out. Because it didn't look like this when I picked up my stuff from it the other day. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's gotta go anyways. She's back, pretty much. I'm gonna go ahead and drive her, actually, which I don't know if it's the smartest decision in the world, but that's what we're gonna do. This was never locked. In my opinion, it was not worth getting rid of it, because essentially it's just a bumper. I want to get new fenders, even though these can be salvaged pretty easily. It has this damage, which I don't believe is structural. I think it's just the cover for it. It should be fine. And then you have this, and then all of the body is scratched up. So the car definitely needs paint work. That's pretty much like it, you know. If I do all the sanding and everything myself, most of it myself, you know, it shouldn't be too bad. There are some dings from the fencing, but I don't think we really even have to address those all that much. Because the reason why I kept this car is not only because, number one, I would regret getting rid of it, even with it being in such great condition, and two, it was like a good deal. Like, they paid off my car, and I still was able to get like a couple $100 after they paid off of my loan. But three, I'm gonna turn this into a drift car, and it's gonna be so damn exciting. I still have to kind of daily this car right now, so I can't go too extreme right now. Pretty much I'm just gonna be spending today looking at all the parts that I need. You'll see them when they come on in, because obviously I'm gonna be making videos as I fix this car up. It's perfect because it put me in the perfect like equity position, because I already have my money saved up for my other car. Not all of it, obviously I'm still saving. All I have to do is put like a little bit of money into this car, which will take away from me saving for that car for just for a little bit, not even that much. If all the labor's done by me for the most part, except for, it'll be pretty cheap, to be honest. Most of the cost for the estimate was labor anyways. I want to say at least 60% of that was labor. I'll go ahead and keep you guys updated. It's honestly extremely exciting because this is gonna be my car now, and I'm turning it into a drift car. Like, this is gonna be my drift car. Who would have thought? Like, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have it in the budget to have a drift car. It's wild. It's wild. An opportunity arises. I had to take it. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video once we start building this car, turning it into our drift car for the channel. Be sure to stay tuned on the channel. Like, comment, subscribe for this build. Not only this build, when I get the new 86 when it comes out, for that build as well. With that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Have a great day.